Thank you for taking a moment to learn about our referral program. We're searching for the world's most talented people, and we could use your help. Who do you know that would make a good addition to our team? Let's take a look at how it works. The first thing you'll find is a list of open jobs and rewards. You can sort them by location, category, title, or reward. Click on a job to learn more about it. If you've already got someone in mind, just click Log a Referral to submit their information. The more information you provide us, the better. Please keep in mind that your referral does not count as an application for your friend. They still need to complete their own application. If you'd like to track the progress of the people you've referred, you'll need to create an account. You can do this even after logging several referrals. Then select a network to sync up first. Only you have access to your contacts, and only you can contact them, period. Here's my list of contacts. I can send her a job invitation with one click, or I can customize the message first. The relevant job info is already there, so I'll lighten it up with a personal touch. I'll also write a brief endorsement and give our recruiters permission to reach out to her. Here's what my invitation looks like to my friend. It went straight to her inbox. She can apply for the job, and the system lets me know she's applied. Later, it lets me know if she's hired. It only takes a moment to see who matches our jobs and send a few invitations. Give it a shot. You'll be glad you did.